Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your Steam wallet. Steam doesn't allow direct transfers from PayPal like sending funds instantly, but you can easily use PayPal as a payment method to add money. First, log into your Steam account and go to the Steam Wallet section. Select Add Funds to your Steam wallet. You'll see different top-up options like $5, $10, or more. Choose the amount you want to add. Now you'll be asked to pick a payment method. From the list, select PayPal. If you already linked your PayPal before, you just confirm the payment. If not, you'll be redirected to PayPal's secure login page. Sign in with your PayPal email and password, confirm your funding source, and approve the purchase. After completing the transaction, the money instantly appears in your Steam wallet, and you can use it to buy games, downloadable content, or items from the Steam market. So while you can't directly transfer funds from PayPal to Steam, using PayPal during checkout is the official and fastest way to fund your Steam wallet. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.